Hey everyone. So I have 3 elements in this list, and first and third are visible, and the second one has its style set with display none, so it's not visible on the page. So how do I check that every element in this list is visible? So you might think that all you have to do, get the elements li and add should be visible assertion. And you'd be wrong. As you see, there are 3 elements and it says one or more elements are not visible. The assertion should be visible passes if just one element is visible. So it's using like array sum and then visibility check. Funny enough, if you use should not be visible, then it requires every element to be invisible. So it uses every. Okay, so what can you do if you want to actually confirm that every element is visible? So remove assertion and you get a jQuery object, and then you can take this jQuery object and you can iterate over every element inside this jQuery object. So using _map. And then you can pass it through a callback from Cypress.dom library, and it has those utility methods like isVisible. This is what Cypress uses under the hood to compute if it's visible or not. So this will give you an array. So you can say should deep equal, and let's say you know how many items you have. So you can say true, true, true. Okay, and now it fails because the middle one is invisible. So you can confirm that. Okay, so this is nice, but it doesn't retry. Okay, because as soon as you have cy.then command, that's it, you break the chain of queries and you only use the value yielded from cy.then command. So a better way is to use cypress-map plugin that I've written. You can replace cy.then with cypress-map and you can say pass each element through DOM.isVisible callback. Okay, so this is the same, but because cy.map is a query, if it fails, it will retry and retry and retry. So let's add some code to our app to actually make the second li element visible. So notice after a second and a half, it becomes visible and our chain of query commands passes. Now it is kind of unwieldy to know how many elements to expect and put true, n times. So in this project, in my support, I'm including chai sorted plugin. And here's what I can do to avoid using deep equal assertion. I can say should each, so this is added by Cypress each, equal true. So it will check that every element in the array yielded by cy.map has value true. So find this example in the recipes in my Cypress example site, use cypress-map and use chai each assertion.